NCH Maintenance assists customers across various industrial sectors. We specialize in maintaining your equipment, which ensures your business operations run cost-effectively. NCH provides a premium range of solutions and products, from lubricants to industrial degreasers, hygiene with cleaning and our disinfection program, rust, corrosion, and descalers. We keep your equipment and facilities running in optimum condition. NCH helps solve business maintenance problems with solutions that deliver results, adding value to your maintenance environments. From parts cleaning technology, with our revolutionary torrent system, to drain maintenance and odor management, with our patented biological solutions, as well as our patented wastewater solutions. We solve your maintenance problems. NCH Maintenance, proudly delivering 100 years of excellence in industrial maintenance.